Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As some of you may know, I struggle with dark under eye circles. One of the things that I love to do to brighten up the area before I put on concealer is to use an under eye brightener. I just recently did a review video on the somewhat viral CATRICE under eye brightener Instant Awake. This one is in the light rose color. You can get this on Amazon for $6.99, and in addition to brightening up the skin, it also advertises that it has shea butter and hyaluronic acid to actually improve the under eye area. When I did this video, so many people commented, "Hey, I hate this product. I don't know why you liked it." And I truly did like it. I used to be a Becca diehard fan, but then I saw this Amazon product, the CATRICE one, for $6.99, and I thought I'd give it a go. So after I did the CATRICE video, so many people recommended that I try the Tarte Shape Tape Corrector. This one is in the color pink. It goes for $32 versus $6.99. However, it does have more product, so when I actually compared the price per volume, this one ended up being just about 3 times as much as the CATRICE product. So what I'm going to do today is I am going to compare these two products. I'm going to put the CATRICE on my right eye and the Tarte product on my left eye. So I'm not only going to put the product on, but I'm also going to complete my makeup look. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to tell you how it performed throughout the day, not just with that initial application. So I have already prepped my face just with a cleanser and then a moisturizer and let my moisturizer fully set in. The key with any brightener I've found is to not over apply. If you over apply, it will not set into your skin and it will really just slide around throughout the day and it's not going to do its job. So what I do is I always just put a small amount. I don't even use the wand for a product like this, and I smooth it between my fingers and then I press it in to the skin. So right off the bat, the Tarte product is more of a liquid while the CATRICE is really creamy. So, and I honestly haven't tried on these products side by side. I basically got the CATRICE, I loved it, I did the review, and then everyone kept saying, no, you really need to try the Tarte. So I went ahead and bought that, and I've been wearing that ever since. So I'm really anxious to see the side by side. Now when I apply the brightener, I'm gonna just put a little bit more of the CATRICE on. I do the under eye area and then I do the inner and outer corners and then kind of work it onto my eyelid as well, just patting it on and pressing it into my skin. So that is what it looks like with just that product. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply the rest of my makeup, show you what it looks after, and then I'm gonna take a look at it, tell you what I think, and also touch base after I've worn both products all day. All right guys, so I got a little bit lazy. I didn't finish all my makeup, but I did finish all of my concealer, foundation, translucent powder, basically everything that I would do before I put on my eyeliner, eyeshadow, blush, bronzer, etc. So I looked at the mirror very closely at these products and I wore this pretty much the entire day. I would say overall the Tarte did perform better. It just covered up more of the darkness than the CATRICE did. And I did notice that the CATRICE it was a little bit sheer and it did almost separate a little bit, leaving it pooled up and almost that dry cakiness. Very subtle, but as compared to the Tarte, I did notice that separation and a little bit more buildup in my fine lines and creases. Both products at the first application, especially after putting on my foundation, I did need to still like pat down a little bit in the crease in my under eye area. So I don't know if the CATRICE just works really well for my particular skin tone, but I think if you're on a budget, definitely go with the CATRICE. If you want to just get the best, go for the more expensive product. And if you have any questions, definitely leave them in the comments below, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the next video.